can eat some vegetables without cooking them. Which are they? Option is A. Carrot, B. Cucumber, C. Tomatoes, D. All of these. Answer is option D. All of these.
Reptiles usually have scales on their bodies. Option is A. True, B. False, C. Can't say, D. None of these. Answer is option A. True.
Which of the following is not source of light? Option is A. A planet, B. A star, C. A burning candle, D. An electric bulb. Answer is option A. A planet.
Blank thing prepare their own food. Option is A. Non-living, B. Living, C. Flying, D. None. Answer is option B. Living.
Sharp claws of birds are also known as. Option is A. Feathers, B. Talons, C. Webbed feet, D. Legs. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then like the video.
What is the number of thumbs a human body has in each hand? Option is A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. None. Answer is option A. 1.
Which of the following things should be used carefully? Option is A. Blade, B. Scissors, C. Knife, D. All of these. Answer is option D. All of these. Which animal is coming?
Monkey.
No, it's a gorilla. Did you know, gorilla one of the biggest, most powerful living primates.
People who eat fish, eggs and meat are known as. Option is A. Vegetarians, B. Non-vegetarians, C. None of these, D. Both. Answer is option B. Non-vegetarians.
It is an internal organ of our body. Option is A. Hands, B. Feet, C. Eyes, D. Stomach. Answer is option D. Stomach.
The animal that needs water to live in is. Option is A. Lion, B. Fish, C. Elephant, D. Crow. Answer is option B. Fish.
Select the correct option. Option is A. Carrot, radish root, B. Wheat, dal fruit, C. Cabbage, spinach flower, D. Pineapple, papaya stem. Answer is option A. Carrot, radish root. Did you know, color of sheep varies from white to chocolate brown?
From the following, which is the living thing? Option is A. Computer, B. Mobile, C. School bag, D. Lion. Answer is option D. Lion.
Human beings exhales blank to be live. Option is A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Argon, D. None. Answer is option B, carbon dioxide.
Which vegetable does not have seeds? Option is A. Brinjal, B. Pumpkin, C. Tomato, D. Potato. Answer is option D. Potato.
Which of the following is an uninvited guest in your house? Option is A. Spider, B. Pet dog, C. Cow, D. Rabbit. Answer is option A. Spider.
Which of the following thing is man-made thing? Option is A. Human, B. Robot, C. Air, D. Tree. Answer is option B. Robot.
Which animal produces milk for commercial use? Option is A. Cow, B. Horse, C. Sheep, D. Goat. Answer is option A. Cow.
Which of the following bird's nest has opening at its lower end? Option is A. Sparrow, B. Dove, C. Tailor bird, D. Weaver bird. Answer is option D. Weaver bird.
Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Option is A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Australia, D. Europe. Answer is option B. Africa.
Blank is an egg-laying animal. Option is A. Cow, B. Dog, C. Hen, D. Rat. Answer is option C. Hen.